Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will cover the important current affairs of May 2025, which is very useful for your upcoming exams. So watch the entire video. Let's see the first question. Which state topped the medals table at the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Right answer is option C, Maharashtra. Recently, Khelo India Youth Games 2025 was held in Bihar. It was the 7th edition of Khelo India Youth Games. Mascot name was Gajsimha and the theme song was Khel Ke Rang Bihar Ke Sang. Maharashtra topped the medals table at the Khelo India Youth Games 2025 with 58 gold, 47 silver and 53 bronze medal. Total 158 medals won by Maharashtra. Haryana got the second rank and Rajasthan achieved the third rank in Khelo India Youth Games 2025. So remember all this. Let's move on the next question. Who became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize? Right answer is option D, Banu Mushtaq. Recently, Banu Mushtaq won the International Booker Prize 2025 and she became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize. She won the International Booker Prize for her short story collection Heartlamp, which is translated from Kannada into English by Deepa Bhasti. So remember this. And it is the first Kannada language book to win the International Booker Prize. So remember this. Next question. Who became the youngest Indian and the second youngest person in the world to complete the 7 Summits Challenge? Right answer is option B, Vishwanath Karthikeya. Operation Sindoor was launched in response to which terror incident? Right answer is option B, Pahalgam attack. Operation Sindoor officially launched on 7th May 2025 in retaliation of Pahalgam terror attack. 9 terror camps in Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Jammu Kashmir were targeted during Operation Sindoor. Air defense system S-400 used during the operation to neutralize Pakistan missiles, which is developed by Russia. Scalp cruise missile was used in Operation Sindoor for deep precision strikes. BrahMos supersonic missiles also used during the operation. So remember this. Hizbul Mujahideen, Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Taiba were the main targets in Operation Sindoor, and the Rafale aircraft was primarily used in Operation Sindoor. So remember all these points. Let's see the next question. Who took oath as the 52nd Chief Justice of India on 14th May 2025? Right answer is option A, Justice Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai. So recently, Justice B.R. Gavai took oath as the 52nd Chief Justice of India. He replaced Justice Sanjeev Khanna and he is the second scheduled caste judge to hold this post after Justice K.G. Balkrishna. So remember this. Next question. Where was the ASEAN GCC summit held on May 27, 2025? Right answer is option B, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Union Public Service Commission? Right answer is option C, Dr. Ajay Kumar. Dr. Ajay Kumar was the former Defense Secretary of India. So remember this too. Next question. The 17th edition of the India Mongolia Joint Military Exercise Nomadic Elephant will be held in which of the following locations? Right answer is option A, Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. India's first artificial intelligence special economic zone is said to be established in which city? Right answer is option B, Nava Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Who was recently conferred with the Global Indian of the Year award by the Canada India Foundation? Right answer is option A, Sadhguru. Who became the first CISF officer to summit Mount Everest? Right answer is option B, Geeta Samota. Which state recently declared the first to achieve full functional literacy? Right answer is option C, Mizoram. Which two digital platforms were recently launched by the Department of Post to enhance India's addressing system? Right answer is option B, Know Your DigiPin and Know Your PIN code. Recently, which city has been declared India's first beggar free city? Right answer is option B, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Which state in India recently approved the Adi Shakti Abhiyan to enhance grassroots women's empowerment? Right answer is option A, Maharashtra. According to the recent lion census conducted by the Gujarat Forest Department, what is the total number of Asiatic lions reported in 2025? Right answer is option B, 891. On 27th May 2025, France's National Assembly passed a bill allowing adults with unbearable and incurable illness to choose what? Right answer is option B, assisted dying. Which year was reported as the warmest in India's recorded history by the India Meteorological Department? Right answer is option C, 2024. What is the name of the new missile defense system announced by the United States government? Right answer is option B, Golden Dome. Where was the European red admiral butterfly, Vanessa Atlanta, documented for the first time in India? Right answer is option B, Dharmshala, Himachal Pradesh. Which country has recently taken over the chairmanship of the Asian Productivity Organization for the term 2025-26? Right answer is option C, India. Where was the 67th session of the governing body meeting of the Asian Productivity Organization held? Right answer is option B, Jakarta, Indonesia. Which state launched India's first transmedia entertainment city, Creator Land? Right answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Which organization launched Operation Hawk 2025 to combat online child sexual exploitation? Right answer is option B, CBI. What is the primary goal of Operation Olivia initiated by the Indian Coast Guard? Right answer is option B, to conserve olive ridley turtles. Which company unveiled India's first AI powered gold melting ATM to melt and process gold for transactions? Right answer is option A, Gold Sikka. Who was re elected as the Prime Minister of Australia in the recent elections? Right answer is option C, Anthony Albanese. Which team won the UEFA Women's Championship League 2025? Right answer is option D, Arsenal. Which state in India has launched the Rahavir scheme to incentivize good Samaritans who assist accident victims? Right answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. What is the name of the Indian naval sailing vessel launched at the naval base in Karwar? Right answer is option C, INSV Conindia. What is the primary objective of the Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan launched in India? Right answer is option B, to enhance agriculture practices and support farmers. Which organization launched the Yashoda AI, Your AI Sakhi program? Right answer is option B, National Commission for Women. What are the names of the two new facilities inaugurated at the National Center of Polar and Ocean Research in Goa? Right answer is option B, Sagar Bhavan and Polar Bhavan. During the state visit of Angola's president to India in May 2025, how many significant MOUs were signed? Right answer is option C, 3. That was Ayurveda, agriculture, and culture. And Angola also joined as the 123rd member of International Solar Alliance. So remember this too. Next question. Kamirita Sherpa recently broke his own record for the most ascents of Mount Everest. How many times has he now reached the summit? Right answer is option C, 31. Dr. M.R. Srinivasan, a renowned Indian nuclear scientist, passed away on 20 May 2025. What was his role in India's nuclear energy program? Right answer is option B. Former chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission. Dr. M.R. Srinivasan was the former chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission. So remember this. When is World Press Freedom Day observed? Right answer is option B. 3rd May. And the theme of World Press Freedom Day 2025 was Reporting in the Brave New World, the impact of artificial intelligence on press freedom and the media. Let's see some other important days and theme. 1 मई जो है इंटरनेशनल लेबर डे के रूप में सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है और इंटरनेशनल लेबर डे 2025 की थीम है सेफ्टी एंड हेल्थ ऑफ वर्कर्स। 3 मई को वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम डे मनाया जाता है, इसकी थीम है रिपोर्टिंग इन दी ब्रेव न्यू वर्ल्ड, द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस ऑन प्रेस फ्रीडम एंड द मीडिया। 11 मई को नेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी डे मनाया जाता है, इसकी थीम है यंत्र युगांतर फॉर एडवांसिंग न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी रिसर्च एंड एक्सीलरेशन। 18 मई को मनाया जाता है इंटरनेशनल म्यूजियम डे और इसकी थीम है द फ्यूचर ऑफ म्यूजियम्स इन रैपिडली चेंजिंग कम्युनिटीज़। लेट्स मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which Indian city will host Asian Weightlifting Championship 2026? Right answer is option C, Ahmedabad. What was the primary objective of the PSLV C-61 mission launched by the Indian Space Research Organization on 18th May 2025? Right answer is option B, to launch the Earth Observation Satellite EOS-09. Unfortunately, this mission was unsuccessful. Where did the Shirui Lily Festival take place in May 2025? Right answer is option B, Ukrul, Manipur. Where was exercise Tista Prahar, a military field exercise conducted by the Indian Army in May 2025 held? Right answer is option A, Tista Field Firing Range, West Bengal. Who won the talent competition at Miss World 2025? Right answer is option A, Miss Indonesia, Monica Kezia Sembering. Who won the Princess of Asturias Award for Sports in 2025? Right answer is option A, Serena Williams. What is the name of the newly discovered species of cave-dwelling fish found in Krem, Mausingbuing near Masinram, Meghalaya? Right answer is option A, Schistura danciclava. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Audi India? Right answer is option B, Neeraj Chopra. Where did the National Right Shop on the Panchayat Advancement Index version 2.0 recently take place? Right answer is option B, New Delhi, India. Who was sworn in as new Prime Minister of Singapore in May 2025? Right answer is option A, Lawrence Wong. Recently, India closed all land ports with which country and banned the export of ready-made garments and other goods? Right answer is option C, Bangladesh. Which country is set to launch its first mission named Tianwen-2 to survey and sample a near-Earth asteroid? Right answer is option B, China. What is the purpose of Saudi Arabia's recently launched platform to Rise? Right answer is option B, to connect leaders across tourism, technology, investment and sustainability sectors. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Where was the ASEAN GCC summit held on May 27, 2025? And the question number second is, India's first artificial intelligence special economic zone is set to be established in which city? So friends, share your answer in the comment box and I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.